On Thursday, Dr. Pedati said 94% of Iowans getting coronavirus are over the age of 18, which means teachers are at more risk of catching and spreading the virus than kids.
The children here in Iowa are not the primary drivers of this pandemic. And in fact, we know that children are less likely to become infected, and when they do, they appear to have a less severe illness.
Dr. Pedati does expect cases of COVID-19 to show up at school, but how severe is really up to how the people follow with the protocols put in place by the Department of Public Health. If a teacher has been identified as being exposed to a positive case, they need to test right away and then return to work 24 hours after getting the negative or inconclusive result if they've had no fever. If a teacher tests positive, they should only return to work 10 days after experiencing the symptoms and no longer have a fever. Now here's where there's an exception and a return can be made. If a staff member is considered critical personnel, they can return to work if they are not showing any symptoms. All staff need to do temperature checks at the very beginning and at the end of the school day. Always wear a mask, and if any symptoms develop, it is time to isolate and test immediately. The only time a staff member is in the clear and doesn't need to worry about exposure is 12 weeks after they've already had the virus and fully recovered. In studio, Elias Johnson, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.